In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get all cable channels for free, no matter what cable company you have, by basically tricking your cable box into passing all cable channels to you, even if you don't subscribe to some of them. I'll explain what you need to do this, and then of course why it works as well, and I think you're really going to be surprised at just how simple it is. We're going to take advantage of how the cable company system delivers channels to you and limits which ones you have access to, and then remove that limit. So you'll have access to all channels without having to pay for any of them. You see, this is how the cable company system works. When the cable company goes to deliver service to people, it produces one single signal. It's the same that is sent to all houses and includes all channels by default. Now, this is because it's too difficult to produce millions of different signals for each household, but obviously we can't watch all these channels unless you pay for them. And that's because they have a system in place that restricts which channels you can watch, even though technically they all go to your house. By default, every single channel signal sent to your house is attenuated, which means that it's weakened to the point of not really being useful. So your TV by default can't watch a channel unless the cable box amplifies that signal, and it only does that if you subscribe to that individual channel. So when you buy a TV package, a separate signal is sent from the cable company to your cable box, letting it know it should amplify certain channels that you pay for so they can be passed onto the TV and watched. And if you don't buy a channel, the signal remains too weak and it's not amplified by the cable box, so your TV can't display it. However, we can actually amplify those TV signals ourselves, so it'll be passed through the cable box already amplified, meaning that any channel you want to watch will be available to stream on the TV. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to amplify the entire signal coming in from the cable company. And we can use some basic physics and mathematical principles to do this, which I'll explain. So now that you know what needs to be done, let's go over how to achieve that.